So yeah, um, welcome to the channel. It's gonna be something kind of new. My homeboy Greg told me to start doing this, so it's gonna be the trading channel. I'm gonna just be documenting basically like the trading journey. That makes sense. It's not really a fresh trading journey. Like I started like around, I want to say February. I started like doing mad research in February. Then when I turned 18 in April, then I started doing like the actual trading. So yeah, so we're here now. I haven't had no payouts. I passed some evals, but I ain't get nowhere. So no payouts. This is a new account. Well, not really new because I already took like 2 trades on it. So the account is down like I want to say like 300 something. But y'all, I'm gonna be documenting this time. So I mean, win or lose, I'm gonna post it just like my dog. So we just gonna get started. Right now I'm gold. All I trade is gold. I'm low key thinking about making that switch to NQ, cause it's easy price movement. It's easy price action. But I know you're not supposed to switch around your pairs like that. But I'm not gonna lie, NQ low key look like the moves for buys. Cause like if you go to gold, I don't know what gold's been on. Don't mind these markets. These all my marks up. But I don't know what's been going on in gold. But this price action has been some kind of like fever dream or something, bro. Like it's just so many wicks and inconsistencies that like I'm just not jacking with it. So for the first time in forever, I think I might change this to NQ. I think I might trade NQ today. It's been a while, but we're gonna tap in with it. So what I like to do normally is I'll mark out the previous daily high, previous daily low, and then previous 4-hour high, 4-hour low, and so forth to the 1 hour. But because we're trading all-time highs right now, ain't really nothing for me to mark out. So what I'm just gonna look for is either a fair value gap to push forward or another, like maybe kind of like a retracement for the push forward before I look for a trade again. But this is OD. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna probably look for a cool little retracement because we're bullish to who knows when. So we also got news around 11:15 a.m. So I'm trying to finish up before then. Definitely trying to finish up before then. Let's see what we kind of trade we looking for. But yeah, let me show y'all. So on the account you see I'm down 357. So I'm not really focused on making money off this trade. I just want to look for a good trade, like a smart trade. That makes sense. Looks like I'm getting that pullback I wanted though. I would at least like the pullback to come down lower. I like my pullbacks way lower. But then I feel like if it's getting way too low to the previous low, then that's when I watch it a little bit more, because then I want to see if it's actually doing a reversal. So we're just gonna wait, see how low this pullback goes. But what should I name the channel? Like I'm trying to see like if I should just name it like a regular name or like do like Tony Trades or something like that. Cause I got a TikTok too that I want to start posting on. But I mean, like bro, posting on TikTok is so, it just be, I don't know, bro. I just don't be having the feel for it. I really don't be having a feel for it. Oh yeah, but I mark out those key points. I didn't even mention my whole strategy. So I mark out those key levels and then wait for the key level to get hit, and then I will target the other key level, because that's majority of the time that's what ends up happening. And I also trade in I add in the confluence of support and resistance, but those two things, the key levels and the support and resistance thing, is not really gonna be much help for me right now, because it's not like any key levels for me to target. So I really just gotta trade with like continuation of confluences or like reversal confluences confirmation, like autumn zones. So this actually looks like a nice pullback, but I would like it to go down lower. If I was supposed to take a trade right here, I will put my stop loss at this low right here, and then for me to even make profit, it will have to go like this is a 1-on-1 trade, so I think I'll be looking for a 1 or 2 trades here. So it kind of like right here, nothing too crazy. But I do think I want this to go down lower, so we're gonna see. It looks like we're getting it's not a fair value yet, so I can't really say that. But we are getting a massive pullback, which is what I like to see. I just don't need it to be too massive. But this dip is actually kind of crazy though. This right here. But we're gonna wait and see. Ain't no rush. It's only 9:37. Market is open like 7 minutes ago. Only person I know awake right now is Greg. I don't know if anybody else is awake. So I told them boys long ago, but I mean you can see like, well actually, I swear gold don't be moving like this, guys. I'm not a fraud. Gold ain't never moved like this. This is insane. This candle right here is insane. Cause this just took out everybody that was in for sales. But I don't want to keep jumping back through gold and NQ, so I might as well just keep looking at this. Cause I already said I was gonna stay on this. Dang. So obviously we can see that there's no reversal coming anytime soon. I'm pretty sure the buying pressure on NQ today is looking to stay for a good little minute. Well, you never know. There could be like a, well, not no 1 hour. I mean, not daily, but there could be like a cooler retracement. Because every now and then, price got to balance out. But it's overall going to be bullish today. So the move for today is to definitely catch a retracement to go up higher. I'm going to see what this candle does, actually. This candle's going to show me some things. Because if this closes above this low right here, then I would know that A, we're looking to go higher, and B, I can keep my bias to look for buys. Actually, I'm gonna check on gold again. My bad, y'all. I just want to see what gold's doing. So it looks like it closed above, but I'm gonna still watch out because I don't like how this is moving right here. See this whole, we didn't really have nothing. The only kind of choppy, not even really choppy, but the only kind of like imbalances that we have was like this right here. And now it's just displacement to go up higher, displacement to go up higher. But the only thing I don't like is these candles that takes out the previous low. Like I wouldn't set it at this low, but like these candles, like, because when I go for buys, like especially in things like this, I normally set my stop loss at like the previous low. So I would have got stopped out here, but then the buying idea would still be right. So I gotta be careful for that. I be telling them this NQ is abusive, bro. Like, you really will be, bro, you'll put your whole life into NQ just for them to break your heart. It's unfortunate, but that's how I be. So, just to let y'all know how I trade, like, I really take more than 2 trades. Like, and it took me a while to get to this point, but I don't take more than 2 trades. Because I feel like after that, then everything is just, you know what I'm saying, emotional. If I lose, if I take too much of a big loss on the first trade, I'm out. If I win in the first trade, I'm looking to get out unless I see another A+ setup. If not, I'm out. If I take a good trade, like $1,000 or something like that, or like a good trade I'm confident with, I'm out. Like that discipline, like building that habit from early helps you way more in the long run. Yeah, let's just focus on NQ. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see what's going on in the 5 minute. Normally, I like to watch the 5 minute too. It's less like less of a headache. You guys might have to stretch the idea I had earlier that the buying pressure on gold. I mean, NQ is here to stay. Maybe I was incorrect. Actually, we still got this 5 minute low and this 5 minute low, but I could be incorrect though. Maybe. I bet y'all had to get the charger. So I think I might go in for sales because I think that buying pressure is over. Well, we haven't seen this taken out yet, so I can't really say, but I'm pretty sure it's about to get taken out. And once this gets taken out, you're just gonna see it. My bad, y'all. I just woke up. When you see this gets taken out, it's just gonna be a strong push downwards, I feel like. So we're waiting to see that. Nah, why this thing moving like gold? Like, what is all of this? I'm gonna actually wait for another pullback like this to get in that. But I just wouldn't want to get in like a stop loss up here is just so high. Like, it makes me uncomfortable. See, you take out this low right here, so you know what I'm saying. Still seem to be in an uptrend. Look at that wick on the 15 minute, bro. Chai. See, this is why you wait. I was just supposed to press sell right here, thinking, oh yeah, it's what to keep going down lower, because you know obviously the trend and whatnot. But like I said again, if it ain't cross right here, I'm not considering those, because this could still be considered a uptrend. This is just like a strong retracement downwards, because unless it crosses that low, we ain't really changed nothing for real. Like you see on the 15 minute, we still bullish. I mean, yeah, it's still bullish. 1 hour, 4 hour. So I don't know. I need a strong change in state for me to actually. I should have. You know what I should have did? I should have bought right here, because in that way my risk would have been like this. This would have been the risk. Like this. This is the risk. I could have had it Well, this would have been a good trade, I feel like. And then probably shoot for wait, I'm trying to remember why I had this at. Yeah, down here. Then I could have shot for like one of these, like anything actually, anything that was a good trade for me. But we live and we learn. We live and you learn. Maybe if it comes back down, I get back in it low key. If it comes back down, like down here, I get in for a buy. Because I'm not really risking. I feel as though I'm not risking like a crazy amount. This is a good area for me to risk. Man, I swore myself I'll never touch NQ again, but it's just with gold, bro. It's just like I can't trade this, bro. I know once gold hits this resistance though, this is gonna plummet. Cause this resistance is like a pretty sure it's like a 1 hour resistance. So that thing is strong. It only got tapped one time. So push come to shove. If I don't find an entry on NQ, hopping on this, waiting for this to touch that. No, it hit it twice. But waiting for this to touch. No. Yeah, it only hit it once. So waiting for this to touch that, then I'm going in for sales. But for now, we're focusing on this jet. Yeah, but it looks like it's not coming back down there anytime soon. So I'm waiting for a, like I said again earlier, fair value got to be made. Then once that fair value gets made, wait for it to get tapped into. Oh wow, I might get in right here. Set it for this low. But I'll be kind of dumb, right? If I did that. Yeah, that's FOMO. So we just gonna wait. Candle closes off this retracement. But actually, I don't like this right here. I'm gonna wait. Let's see. Never mind. It's straight. Like, this is the kind of trade I'm talking about. Like, this is what I take. I put my thing all the way up here. But I don't want to do that. So, to prevent it from it being so high, I'd rather price gets closer up here. Then I can have a stop loss that's like this with a take profit that's still like this. But I mean, there is a fair value got made right here. So I could wait for this to get tapped into, which maybe it'll do right now. I like the Midi Jones purple, I ain't gonna lie. Purple my favorite color. I can wait for this to get tapped into. If I go for a short, this would be my thingy. What's it called? I forgot what it's called. Something confluence. But it would be a confluence to let me get into that trade. Alright, this is now the previous low. So forget that for value gap. I'm looking for a retracement, maybe closer up here, and then I'll get over here. But it seems like we're not getting that. Dang, once we hit these lows, I think the sell move might be over. That might be cooked, y'all boys. Wait, hold on. Oh wait, I could have hella got in right there. And then I could just come back down. Whoa. Yo. Oh, it's a good thing I ain't. Yo. Diamond hands, bro. See, when you just clicking buttons, bro, that's how you get stopped out. This right here is how you get stopped out. This inconsistency, bro, like hell no. Hell no. Would have got me, boy. This might be confirmation for it to go higher, if anything. Wait, I still got that fair value gap. Let me let me not delete this job. I had it right here. Let's see what we do off of this. Now I go via the candle closure above it. Inverse fair value gap. Let's see what that 5 minute doing. Okay, but as you can see, there's also a 5 minute fair value gap right there. So we got this 5 minute fair value gap right here, and I think if price was to get back into this 5 minute fair value gap, I'm gonna probably come down, because I mean there was this 1 minute. Oh, so see, like this is another thing too. Like this 1 minute didn't get I swear, it didn't get respected. So like if anything, sales could still be an option, but I mean it's just like this is horrible. Let me see what gold was doing. I wonder if it hit that. Oh, it went past it. It broke it. Okay, so in instances where the support gets broken, I mean the resistance get broken, they turn into support. That's crazy, bro. I didn't think this would get broken. Gold's price action is actually not the worst right now, surprisingly. I might just going for an easy buy on gold, if I'm being real with y'all. But then that'll be FOMO, ain't it? Nah, but look at that low. Like, come on, yo. Who's doing that? That's crazy, though. Let's go back and look at you. Oh, nah. Wow. It's looking like it might be a no trading day today. Because, wow. I mean, let's not focus on the 1 minute. Let's just focus on the 5 minute. That might be the problem too. Maybe I'm focusing too much on like 1 minute. Oh, we just broke out of that thing. Yeah, I've been focusing too much on the 1 minute when really I should have my eyes on the 5 minute and like the 15 minute. I just broke out of that. Hey, I'm not seeing like a good setup though. That's the only thing. Like a setup, I'm actually like, yeah, I'm glad I took that trade. Oh yeah, that's gonna go. It's about to be a chop fest. When gold gets stagnant like that, bro, it starts chopping. I don't know why. I'm supposed to be getting ready for work. Said I'm on the charts. Tragic. Yeah, going hard just like I thought it would. I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking about getting in the buy. Like when he saw me looking at this, I was thinking about getting in the buy right there. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I should have, but it's just I was thinking like I want to break a structure first, and then look for an inverse for value gap before I think about going for the opposite of the trend. Because really, if we're being real, like this could still just come back down. But like so, honestly, I think I might actually get in for a buy if he tap back down here. If he tap like that again, I'm getting back in the buy. I don't know why I'm saying the candles a he. It's gonna get pause. But if it taps back into there again, then I'm gonna get in for a buy. I didn't get in for a buy. I said I was, but I didn't do it. I don't know why. Someone told me don't do it. This is what the trade would look like if I got in right there, or if I got in even like right here. This would have been the trade. Below this fair value gap, target, and this fair value gap. Top right here. This would have been the trade if I got in right there. Yo, don't tell me my hesitation is what sold me, bro. Cause I really would. Wait, I had to leave that. Don't tell me my hesitation is what sold me. Cause I really was about to get in right there. Oh wait, but it's like. Oh. What was that? Yo, I look up for 1 second. I come back. Drake Candle of Doom, bro. What was that? Oh my gosh, I got in for the wrong thing. Yo, no. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, don't get me out of this. Bro, I can't. Oh my god, I did this yesterday too, bro. I got in for the wrong thing, bro. Yo, come down, please, bro. I meant to get in for gold. I didn't change my con. Oh my gosh, bro. Hello?
You said the time you have to be back is before 12, right?
Yeah. Bro, I'm praying this comes down, bro. Yo, thank God, bro. Get me out of this trade. Like, yo, what was that, bro? I don't even care if it's going down, bro. Like, that was not the trade I wanted. Like, bro, I did not want to get into this, bro. I wasn't looking to get into this. That just got me in, like, right here at the bottom, bro. Y'all might have been like, oh, well, it was going down. You could have made money. Goofballs, bro. That's how you lose your money. 24 on a day, yes, sir. But, nah, man, this is what I wanted. Let's change this, actually. Can you set it to where it changes? Wow. Nah, that was scary, man. Like, I was trying to type in NQ and then this thing wasn't even like registering. The crazy part is I might actually get back in for subs. Like, I know what y'all saying, like, oh, you should have kept it in there. But that's just, you gotta understand, like, I didn't mean to do that trade. Like, I wasn't trying to get into that. Like, even if it did cash for $1,000, I would have still been a bad trade. Like, looking at only money, the profit part of it is gonna mess you up. Because let's say it ended up reversing at that point. Y'all only saying I should have got in, or I should have kept it in there because y'all saw what happened after. But if you're in my state, like, I'm not trying to blow my junk. So, like, that was a scary moment for me. I ain't gonna lie. This will be the trade. If I got in right there. Why do I keep doing that? I just made $137 accidentally, bro. Like, this is enough to make a jit go insane, bro. They gotta fix that, bro. I'm probably gonna speed this up. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So that way it's not just a whole bitch and then. Yep. Oh, we got stopped out. Hey, bro, that's it for today. We off the charts today. I was on this jump for a minute. I ain't gonna lie. P&L negative 635. You're gonna get it back tomorrow. I think it was definitely a good trade, but I think it was just because I missed the sell movement already. I didn't have a good enough placement. My entry wasn't really the best. If I got in somewhere like all the way up here, or like, you know, got it up here off of this fair value gap for a continuation, it would have been way better. Not bad though. 277. I'm not mad at it. Anyways, you know what I'm saying? Glory be to God. Gotta give glory to God. Whether you win or you lose. We're gonna be back tomorrow. I'm gonna definitely edit this and cut it, and I gotta get ready for it. So yeah, man, that's it.